Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to close all open app on your iPhone. So if you want to close all the open app on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to swipe the down part of your screen. You have to swipe it to the right to be able to have access to all the open app on your phone. So I'm just going to drag from the bottom, drag to the right a little. Then you can see the bunch of app open on my phone. So I have Thread, I have GPT, I have Facebook, also I have the other app that I'm using. So for me to be able to close this app, this open app, I just have to tap on the app, then drag it drag it up. Then that means that particular app has been closed. Then the same thing goes with this also to the hub, from the drag to the hub as well, drag to the hub, drag to the hub, and that is how opening app on iPhone can be closed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.